Assalamualaikum friends, subscribe my telegram channel Sheri official. Here is 364 subscriber. I will provide every notification of video first here or any update or any other message. Today I have 30 photo frame. Here is professional or 3D like a painting, so you can edit in CC plus and CS plus. Okay, so first I drag this file like a painting, and we need image. You see here color effect, extract, color lookup, and here is detail. Okay, and our work is here and on frame 01. Import any photo. Drag there. Oh, these files are 525. Okay, you can simple open extract frame 1, open this, import Control S. Our second option is drag here and right click, create clipping mask. I think already clicked it. You see our photo is here now, and I think I have already uploaded these files, but for new user same thing is here. We need 3 image for 1 2 3. 1000, sorry, 2000. Drag there. Here. Okay, our photo in this frame, and same thing is here. Click here and open any photo, create clipping mask. So you see here is vector files, I mean smart object. Same thing is here, 1 2 3. Okay, now and here is 4 photo frame. Here is 1. Drag to Photoshop. We need a 1 image. Here is background. You can change background color or you can adjust. Import your any photo. Here is you can drop any photo, for example $2,000. Drag there. No, oh sorry, you see our photo in this shape. Change anything or if you want. Very easy, just open photo and drag there. Control S for saving. I hope these frames are useful for you. Subscribe my telegram channel Sheri official. Take care. Allah Hafiz.